Do you know you can easily import online projects using the new version of Xactimate Online? You can manage projects directly by importing project ESX files to Xactimate Online. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. In this example, I'll import the project file xwroof to Xactimate Online. I have the project xwroof exx file on my desktop. To do this, it works in a drag and drop way. I'll drag the file xwroof and drop it in the project's dashboard page. Now the project is successfully uploaded to Project List for Xactimate Online. Knowing how to import project files is a way to transfer data directly by switching between Xactimate Online and Xactimate Desktop. It saves you time by offering a flexible way to transfer project files. That's it. That's how you import projects to Xactimate Online. Fill out the survey below to let us know if there's anything you'd like to learn more about, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips each week.